I don't know why you're making it sound like that. Don't make it sound like that.
What do you mean?
Christmas to we, so very different you see. It's not about the snowman, mistletoe, or even a tree. It's just our special vibes are in enough love and smiles. Might not have everything together, but together we're all just fine. It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. It's that empty and kind of cheer. Spread the joy from near and far. When you like, subscribe and share. It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. 'Tis a season to be near. So grab a seat and come back, we have a time. A Merry Mitchell Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, Ozzy Boozy. Hi, Boozy. Give Daddy Susu. Give Daddy Susu.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Kaboom.
So weird.
Oh my God.
So weird.
Oh my God.
So weird.
Eh?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. You like one of Santa Claus staff, man.
Wow! People them young girl! I got the succulent to put in these.
And
You
them
can
something
open
they
this
buy
door
when
for
me
me?
no forward a supermarket.
Just
with
one
them.
I got. You see, I got one that's split into two. That's what you call saving money.
Okay.
Hi, Ozzy Boozy!
So where you going there now?
I need to get some soil.
Tell me, where you say I go in the afternoon when me can't go, me
It's
can't
Tito's
come?
birthday.
So why me can't come? When you see the bush a move,
People even wonder everything with me. Oh God, and they see it for themselves. Make you open the door here for
when you
me.
go, you're gonna see the bush a move. That's not me in there.
That
have
is
my eye
scary
on you.
stuff, Wayne. That's scary stuff.
I have my eye on you.
That's scary stuff. Oh, look at the pea shoots coming up. I made a mistake with these, but I think I fixed it.
Mommy,
Yes, no.
can I have a bag of your cookies?
Oh, I wish you didn't see those.
Well, we see everything.
There's like a fossil leg in here.
Party leg. Party leg?
Right out. Come right out.
What are
So
they?
I'm reaching there.
I think he's dead.
Who? Who's dead?
The 40 leg.
40 leg.
Oh my God, hold on. I have to
Where
go
is-
wash him up.
What? What's a 40
Excuse
leg?
me.
What's a 40 leg?
Something that have 40 legs.
Turn on the hose for me.
Can I see?
The breeze a blow. It's a nice little overcast day.
I think there's a system over. Turn it on. Turn it on.
There's a what?
A system.
Okay.
I think he's out now.
Where is he? What's a 40 leg?
What you say, Wayne?
Oh.
Mommy! Mama, can I have some of your cookies?
No, not yet. That's why you guys have to be careful, okay?
Why? Well, it might be the 4 leg.
Alright, let's turn off the
Fourth leg.
hose for me.
No, the 4 leg.
So like you.
Turn off the hose, please, guys.
Turn off the hose. Turn off the hose
I
again.
want to go on the roof.
Things are grow though, boo.
I did the pea shoots. I planted the peas, and then thing there came and he was like, "This is not nearly deep enough, Tammy. What are you doing?" And so last night I came out here and I tried a little something, and I hope it works.
Oh my god. Awesome.
Oh, this is a wicked breeze. Hey, Christmas breeze, I wonder if are you there now? The first day of Christmas breeze, me never even dare do the maths, you know. Coulda. Christmas breeze reach people. And now the Christmas spirit has start lifting our place. Watch this now. Tamara, where you heading?
I'm just repotting it.
But the succulent them match the elephant though.
No, so pretty. Oh, see? Aren't they lovely?
Yeah, man.
I love it! I don't think the more can fit on the bookshelf, but I just said me I go with it. And Jerry is beautiful.
Top, man.
Not it?
Yeah. Right up the top.
Let me show Momo. She will love it too. Mosey, look at this, Mom. Pretty.
Lovely. You put them right up.
I was thinking.
Yes.
Look like we need another bookshelf.
Yes.
Wayne, do you think you could build one of those ladder shelves?
Oh, definitely.
I like that confidence.
Yeah, definitely. It's a
I
wicked
said,
girl.
line up the man, them. Tita,
Listen
for the
to me.
birthday.
Go ramp with me now.
It's more like line up the roll, them.
You're not going nowhere.
Line up the food. That's all
You're not
we
going
gotta do.
nowhere.
Love you. After curfew.
Listen, happy birthday, my darling.
And thanks, Wayne.
Lord, jeez, look how long we have sparred, Tita.
Long time.
Long time, you know.
Long time.
Sure, sure.
It is 13 years of birthdays.
Yeah, for a long
How
time.
much longer than that, Bobo head? You know, maths out the thing.
Oh, yes, because from before that, you guys were friends.
Yes,
Yeah.
but I was gonna say, but Wayne wasn't nice.
There you go. I'm glad she's here to tell the truth.
Wayne wasn't nice.
There you go.
Tita, don't
We
bother with
actually
that.
Fame went to his head.
friends.
Fame went to
We
his
were,
head.
yeah.
That's so cool.
We need a story time. But
Nothing don't go so. Anyway, so what do you now do?
crumbs up on your mouth. We're going. Where we're going? Is where we're going? We're going to eat some. We're eating Japanese. 'cause
Oh,
it's
I was
Tita's
planning to go to
favorite.
CPJ to how coincidental is that? And you might see me.
Yes, come. No, why
You
not?
see? Tita want me come, but
It's
you
a
know what me
girl's
come.
flex.
No, it's alright. I'm gonna find some talks to go party. No, watch
We are
nothing.
drink and then leave.
I'm not
5
coming
minutes.
nowhere.
Yeah, come.
No, I'm not coming nowhere. No, I'm good. I'm
Alright, love you. Bye. Toodles.
Bye.
Bye, Wayne.
My beta.
Oh, we just made another sale on the store.
Tita, my beta. Never go find somewhere for God. God no. I don't know what I'm gonna do more. I want them to go buy the ingredients and for bake. But I don't know what to buy. Never bake it still. I want them to just go do some shopping. I want to say MTM. Alright. I go up on the road and make the road tell me what to do.
Hi, Wayne.
Hi.
Love me. He miss me.
Let's go! Black Widow!
It was my first time being out in the entire time, Wayne.
Tess, you ready for the show next week?
I'm
We have
excited.
2 shows
We
next
thought
week.
about our
We have 2 shows next week.
I thought about a set list for Sissy.
Yeah, I heard. Yeah, them say them get the tracks. I'm so excited.
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah.
Are we gonna sing our song together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. I was wondering if that would be a good introduction to you doing your set. Maybe.
I'm not going after you.
Hell
No, I'm
yeah.
not. No, I'm not.
Tami is going to perform for the first time in years this Christmas. If you're excited to see Tami perform her songs, make some noise in the comment section. I am very excited. Me I got in at the front row. It's a virtual performance, but you know, me I got in at the studio, so me I got in at the front. Yeah, I got it right there, so you don't know. Yeah, I'm that husband. Very excited about this. Very. So look out for it. Look out for it. Big performance are coming soon. And then me and Tessie have another thing and another thing. So between Vlogmas and music work, we're well busy this Christmas. So you don't know. Look out for us on a stage near you. People, just my luck.
What?
Tami bought me my first shirt. She bought the first shirt that she's bought for me online.
I don't know why you're making it sound
Right.
like that. Don't make it sound like that.
What do you mean? How make it sound?
Like terrible like that.
No, I'm just saying how the story is just it's not funny enough, people, but you might laugh after me.
I normally don't buy him shirts online because it not post a fit.
Right?
Right? So I'll get other things, but not shirts. So I said, okay, let me get shirts. I got some other shirts, but this one shirt.
So it still goes like literally the first shirt will come in at the mail for me, right? So
And this is why I don't do it.
we open the shirt So pour me tell you say as Tami go so poof and bust the plastic. Me smell something like me smell a green arm.
When it did look frozy. It never smell frozy, it just look frozy.
When me look on the shirt now, a nice white shirt, you know. But when me look on the shirt just look dirty.
Guys, even the armpit did have stain.
When me look, the shirt look like it a wear for about 6 months. And you know say the boy or the girl will put it up to sell it wouldn't have the common decency to run it through a washing machine or a dryer. You know them sell the thing moly.
And it was a name brand, you know?
People wanna tell me that ever reach on online for Amazon or wherever wanna buy on a thing.
But I'm returning it in a way.
If you never buy a product and expect it for new and it come poop out and beat out.
No, but hold on, Wayne, because Wayne was saying to me, no man, just don't worry about it, just get where or whatever. I was like, no, I'm returning.
No, dash it when me that said dash it not do it name there.
No, but I was
because
like,
I just didn't think that returning it would be available. But then I remembered MAILPAC does free returns.
Let me do it. This hour is brought to you courtesy of MAILPAC, the best way to shop online, the only provider that offers free returns and a U.S. tax-free address.
Yeah.
I say it every day on radio.
So we're doing that now. We're doing the return.
And it's easy. It's not hard.
Man, me say I have some words for I just treat a family showing up people because me I tell you say
that was upsetting. But
the vendor there.
The other shirts fit nice and they look nice and new.
Yeah. So give thanks for small mercies.
Yeah, that's good.
Tami, a voice have a buzz in it, have a ear ostrich vibe.
It's not bad.
Could that be a ear
It's all
ostrich?
good, Mom? Yeah. It's not bad, though. I am so excited because my Instant Pot came! And my brother was the first person to tell me about this months ago. And he was like, yo, I need to send one of them here comfy. And I was like, nah, man, I don't need that, whatever. And it come in like the thing haunt me. And everywhere I go, I'll call my cousin and she was like, Tami, I have to get one of these. So I said, you know what? I'm going to get one of these. And I did. And I'm very excited. It's a pressure cooker, a saute pan, a steamer, a slow cooker, a rice cooker. You can't make yogurt tonight. Maureen, you can't pressure it. My brother said he make some oxtail tonight the other day. I'm living in Colorado. Big up, Tony. And him say it come out so good. Him cook about 8 pounds of oxtail tonight. Cook it, everything. Yeah. And then him say just transfer it. Wash it quick and make the rice to go with it. Okay. So you know, so me and MoMo excited about this. Where we are going cooking it. And Auntie Mel sent one recipe that if you guys have one of these or any type of slow cooker, please leave me some slow cooker recipes. Give me a link, something, because I want to do one of those things where you set it and forget it. What can I do in this? I'm so excited. Now I love it. Wait, no.
Dead stone.
Oh my God, Momo. This? Oh my God, it's all of an app. It's a what app?
It's a happen.
It's happening. Oh my gosh.
I am excited.
Oh! Sorry, I didn't realize you were still filming. And then you go so.
I can pressure my can them in for the American.
Wayne, you can do everything in here. Now see, I want you. Boom. Look how big and beautiful it is. So you can do soup in here, Maureen. You can do meat stew, bean chili, chicken slow cook, pressure.
Not necessarily porridge.
Pressure cook. Porridge, Wayne.
Watch it now.
Porridge. Rice,
Yeah,
multigrain.
need to go
Oh my
marriage.
God. Oh my God. And then Maureen, see the button here for press it for the vent. For release the steam. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It feels so good. I can't wait. Maureen, we are cooking at this tomorrow. That means more, you know, say peas, the rice and peas, everything can be in this. I heard this song.
It's extra.
Did you hear it?
It's extra as an individual. How would I you? Introducing the Scientist of the Year 2032, Jackson Mitchell.
And Atlas.
Look.
He has on blue blockers. Those
Explain.
are blue blocking
Please
glasses.
explain.
It blocks the blue lights.
The blue light.
Yeah, from like the iPad and all that stuff.
Okay, so
But-
them it's not test glasses. People.
No,
Don't
no,
worry
no,
about it.
No, you don't put it up on top there, blue. Look here. Yes,
You
that's
told
one.
people about his little arm. What you call it? Something upon him eye?
Sty. He has a sty in his eye. A blocked tear duct.
I don't have
So
a
we've been
star in
steaming.
my eyes. Okay, you can take them out.
Okay. But
don't take them
a lot
out.
of you said the other day that we should look into coding for him. And so I'm gonna look into
Oh,
that.
I like coding.
You remember you did coding at school one time?
Yeah, you have to like use the letters to figure out the word.
Things. I'm going to figure out how to get that for you. One week.
One curl with one curly wig or something.
You know, take up things so you can manage, you know.
You
But
understand?
alright, MTM, tell her say she look beautiful naturally, no? Please, MTM, reassure her, because she's going to looking at the comments.
Look different. Because me have to take off the glue up here.
No, but me like, me prefer this more than anything we ever put on, you
Let
know?
me can go road
God, no.
hang up so. Me
And
can
it
go
not
road
for hang up,
it
so
like
you
this.
can do it in a one, you can do it many different
Well,
ways.
more look different.
Worse with all the aloe vera where you put in there from what they just you hear of a sheen, it have a buzz.
Yes, but more look different sometimes.
Different?
You have to look different.
Okay.
You know, look fresh.
Tell her MTM though, tell her on the mind.
MTM are gonna tell me say yes, me need it to look fresh sometimes.
You know about all of that.
So I'm so excited because we got this box today from cousin Marcia. And there's a whole letter, y'all. It's so beautiful. And I started to look and I was like, hold on, I have to turn on the camera. First of all, it's so beautifully packaged. And there's instructions about everything that's in here. So she said that she writes this most beautiful letter that's literally a tearjerker. But she remembered that the boys wanted to know how many days till Christmas. So she included advent calendars. I didn't know about these till I lived in England, and it's like where, you know, you take out a one every day till Christmas.
Okay.
So they're going to be so excited for this. So thank you very, very much for this. But there's more.
You knew about them from England. I was 2 years old and I know about them.
Right? Like, I never grew up with that stuff. Well, I didn't grow up with Christmas, so. But Wayne. Okay. There's so much chocolate happening in here that I don't even want the children to know, because I feel like this is all just for me. I haven't even read the letter to make sure that it's not for me. I'm pretending it's for me. There's more. Look at this. Chocolate letters. A, T. She said the chocolate letters. It's very detailed. Chocolate initials, again, for the big people. Wayne, Tami, Alex, Angie, and Momo. Right? Hello! Boo! Oh my God, it's a little lifesavers book. What is this for? Oh my God, it says Tami. I remember Atlas asking for the bag for Christmas. Okay, that's advent calendar. Mugs. Mugs are for the big people in the house. They're mugs. Look at this. Oh my God. Lifesaver books. I remember receiving one in my Christmas stocking every year, so I thought I would spread some share. I don't even know what this is. I mean, share. A lifesaver book? What is a lifesaver book? I don't know, but it's going in somebody's stocking. Thanks for the idea. Chocolate Santas. I could not leave out Ozzy Boozy. The lifesavers would be a choking hazard, so the chocolate Santas are a good alternative. She says, I hear his little voice.
Yes. Yes.
Chocolates. I didn't want to leave out Alex and Brian and the rest of the original MTM. I'm gonna pretend it's for me. Kit Kat. Someone mentioned in one of the recent videos that they like Kit Kat chocolate. Maybe it was Tessie. I think it was Daddy. I'm not sure. A surprise for the boys. And there's another surprise in the green box.
Look how Auntie Marcia detail out her thing, man. Jeez.
Oh, and the last line says, say hi to my favorite cheerleader, aka Nafisha MoMo. Look at these. These are chocolate letters. MW. Oh my God. Ozzy, is that you? Ozzy?
Boozy.
Hot chocolate. Tim Hortons is a branded coffee shop that was founded in Canada. They are known for their coffee, hot chocolates, and donuts. I know Tim Hortons. Look at these mugs. Oh, I love it. We're going to have Christmas morning with the mugs. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. What is this? Man. What is this? This is an icing tip. There is something here to make. There is something here to make. Gingerbread man. We can decorate it. Oh my god. Hold on, let me see.
No, the Christmas, they all
She said a
over the
surprise
box.
for the boys. I thought you may like to engage your little ones in a Christmas activity and make memories. Tablecloth included to keep the table clean. You thought of everything. Look, it's icing, and look, the tablecloth indeed, and the little tree to put them on. I can't. Guys, I said I wasn't going to do any more unboxings, you know. I don't know how not to, because you guys make me so excited.
The people them love watch the unboxing. Them say it relaxing.
I know.
I'll get it.
Thank you, boo.
Wow.
Ooh, I guess something needs plugs or something.
We're in there waiting for my
Oh my god, Wayne, it says meet the Mitchell family. Good morning to you, and how do you do? Two hearts come together in a mutual way. You're the sugar to my tea. Welcome to the family. This is our life. Should I open it? Why not? Oh, wow. It looks like a projector thing. And you can do the snowflakes all over your house. I love it. I know who wants Avengers. And I know who wants Hot Wheels.
Me.
Yay. And Ozzy Boozy gets this one.
Can we get one?
Oh my gosh.
Can we eat one
Mitchell,
right
boy,
now?
them looks studious.
Yeah, we're going to open it up soon. Auntie Marcia, thank you. This was such
Oh,
a
look,
beautiful...
lifesavers.
I didn't want to see this yet. No, that's not for you. That's for somebody else.
No, it's not.
I don't know how else to thank you for this beautifully thought out Christmas box.
And you don't know
We're
how
gonna
to
enjoy.
hide lifesavers from me. You really don't know how to hide lifesavers from me.
I'm gonna open it now.
Candy in the
I'm
world.
gonna open
It's
it.
like I see through walls, and when I find the
Daddy,
candy,
can
I'm
you
like,
open it
Mom,
for
can
me
I
so I
have
can
this
eat
candy?
some?
Thank you so
open
much,
this
and we are gonna enjoy every inch of this box. Thanks, Marcia.